Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to another live trading session by Sliver Trades. I just took one trade here and aiming for a big target. While I'm on the target, I just wanted to mention that I passed one Bullinox 50K evaluation today. Today was the 5th day of trading and I passed it. So I will show you the P&L of that shortly. And here I'm trading 15-second chart. As you can see, I'm trading a 15-second chart here. And I am aiming for a big target. My default target these days for ATM1 is 21 ticks, but I have dragged it down because the market is trending down nicely. And so I'm going to trail this trade until there is a close above 21 SMA. I'm going to, I plan to trail it. So that's my strategy. In fact, I will trail it with 21 SMA so that I gain a sizable profit and lock in my profit as well. This is one of those trading strategies where we aim for bigger profit. Market fell yesterday big time, about 4% or something, or more than that. And so I expect this to be a good downtrending day. I am not looking to scalp. I know I'm looking to wait for bigger profits. So those who want to see my P&L from today, I'm going to show it shortly. I posted it on my Discord channel. So those who want to join my Discord, I will share the details in the description of this video. And how do I download this snapshot? I'm having difficulty showing, so I'm going to show here. So this is what I posted on my Discord. So today on this Bullinox account, I made 1234.50, 123 for $1,234.50, and so here you see net liquidation is above 53,000, which means I passed the evaluation, and and I passed it in 5 days. So I started it on December 12th, and these were the P&L of last 5 days, today being the largest, and I passed the evaluation. So this is how we trade with Sliver Bullet Trading System. I can drag it down further and aim for a larger profit. Now I'm going to lock in my gains by moving the target even below 21 SMA. I'm going to go kind of almost bar by bar, or swing by swing, to lock in my. I do not want to wait till the market pulls back to 21 SMA. That will be like losing a lot of gains. So market continues to drag down, so I'm going to pull my target down and drag my I'll just keep it about 8 SMA. There is a big bar here. So I'm expecting at least $840 of profit on this trade. It looks like I'll get stopped out here. Got stopped out $840. Again, when the price tags this 21 SMA, I'm going to take a trade. This 15-second chart, contrarian strategy. When it touches the 21 SMA, it will take a trade. If I had waited for the close above 21 SMA, I would still have been in the trade. But I trailed it with 8 SMA. This blue line is 8 SMA. First trade was $840. This is opposite of churn trades that I kind of showed a few, couple of, maybe last week, couple of sessions I had with churn trades. This contrarian strategy with and shorting in downtrending market is more of a trend trade strategy. I just missed the tag. Couple of ticks above and couple of ticks higher, and I would have been in a trade. So market continues to go down. It's kind of reaching the support level. So here, it's going to be a bit tricky trading here to show you guys what I mean. See here, this is a support level here. This twice market came down and went back up. So again, it's coming. So this time, I expect it to break, but you never know. So now if it closes above this green line, a trade will be taken. Not closes, if it no, even if it moves above this the high of this green line. It did not work. So now if I had stayed with strategy that 21 a close above 21 SMA, I would still have been in the trade. So I missed trades here. If I had used contrarian 2 strategy, I would have been in the trade, but it is what it is. So market continues to move down. Cannot do anything. We have to just sit and watch. This was a good trade, I caught it at the right place. Market was sliding downwards, and right here I got the trade and traded all the way till here. It's still going down, and here at 2SD level, market is kind of forming a hammer, and so maybe I should take a default trades here. A contrarian is okay. The contrarian could come here. So it one green candle, then it has to break the high of that green candle. Then trade will be taken in this strategy. No, it didn't work. Looks like. So if I take default trades without the contrarian, you can try to go for a quick scalp. Did not get the signal. I'll switch to contrarian again. Or default. This is my market is sideways. It's trying to confuse us. Stay with my contrarian. Default strategy would have given me a trade here. Market is moving down vigorously. In fact, we could try taking trend trades, but in this kind of high volatility volatile market, I won't take any risky trades. Maybe I'll try contrarian too. See if I can get a trade. The price breaks the high of this green candle, I'll get a contrarian 2 trade. Contrarian 2 strategy, basically. This is contrarian 2. Here you go. So here I will aim for small targets. This market has moved down quite a bit, and I don't, I cannot be greedy. I have to aim for only small targets. If it doesn't work in my favor, I will turn the scale-in mode on. So that's why it's important to wait for your setup. If I had taken contrarian trade instead of contrarian 2, I would have been profitable by now, or at least in a better position. Now kind of I'm facing a little bit of heat. Hopefully it will come down and give me my target, achieve its target. If it doesn't, if it goes above, then I will take a scale in with additional contract and try to get out of the position for break even. No, I have to turn on my scale in, I guess. It's a kind of back and forth market now. So in this kind of market, churn trade works better. But let's see. Still feel it could go down further. More, come on. In this side of, I don't like to sit in such places for too long. Now, I'm going to take, I'll scratch this trade. Maybe it will be profitable after I scratch it, but it's too long. Market is sliding down. I expect it to come down more, but it does all types of tricks before coming down. So it's kind of stalling. The market is stalling now.
Target filled.
I came out of the trade, guys. So when things don't work and it takes too long, better to get out of it. So again, my goal is to still take short trades. But now that market is consolidating, I change my strategy to churn trades. Turn off scaling mode. So it was a nice trend. I benefited from the half of that trend. It came down further, and now it's may go up till here, then start to come down. So, or it'll just consolidate for some time here and then move down further. That's my guess here. In hindsight, I did the right thing by scratching this trade because market is now moving back up.
Order filled.
Right, and this is a churn trade here.
Target filled.
$105. I will not take any trades at this moment. I'll take churn trades if market closes, moves above this line, this high, or when the blue line crosses the green line to the downside. I will start taking contrarian short trades again. Otherwise, I'll take churn trades if price moves above this swing high. So I'll keep my things ready for contrarian.
Order filled.
The sideways market, churn trade would have been better. not the contrarian. Not the best trade, guys. So I'm going to scratch it.
Target filled.
I scratched this trade as well. As I said, when it's a sideways swinging back and forth, churn trades is the better option. But seeing the way it came down, I thought, it will now start going down, but it still wants to stay in this range. So for ranging market, contrarian is not the right one. I switched the trading strategy to churn trades. And if the market comes closer to this line, this swing high line, around 480 line, I will turn my short trades on again. So $965 so far. So these trends do not last for long. When I saw the trend, I immediately took the trade and started to go live, decided to go live, so that you guys can see how to take trades in a trending market using contrarian strategy. And I also wanted to show you 15-second chart trading strategy. But after this one trade, the trend was over. Market is into sideways range, and for that I have churn trade strategy. So somewhere here I'm going to turn my short trades on. So if there is a sudden big stretch, it shows you how many ticks it has to go before it will give you so 40 ticks, 39 ticks to short. So about 10 points it has to move somewhere here before you get a trade. So it gives you an indication here. So when it starts to give an indication, seeing the distance from the swing high, I turn the short button on, and somewhere here,
Order
okay,
filled.
all right, I got a trade. I turned off my button and look for price to come down here and give
Target
me a
filled.
profit of $105. So far 175. So this is a very powerful trading strategy, guys. In a ranging market, use churn trades. In a downtrending market, use either default or contrarian. Nowadays, my favorite strategy is contrarian even in trending market, and that gives me a trade, and I can increase my target and get bigger gains. So here, as you see, I took the trade here, moved the target down, and closed the trade somewhere here for $840. And after that, I tried to take a couple of contrarian trades that did not work. I scratched them at the right time, just for $10 of profit. I would call it a scratch trade. And two contrarian trades here. So S1, two S1s are here. These are contrarian churn trades. Sorry, these two S1 trades are churn trades. S4 trades are contrarian trades. And that's how I traded so far. So again, my outlook is still churn trades, churn short trades. Market is trying to rise a little bit. And it shows 39 ticks to short. So if it crosses somewhere this level, it can give me a churn trade, but I don't see the possibility because the market has to move violently. See here, there is a violence here in its upside move. Here also there is some violence. In this violent move, you get churn trades. Now you could get churn trades in the long trades somewhere here, but I don't want to take because it's a downtrending market, and I don't think it has touched the bottom yet. It will still go down to bottom fish and trap more buyers who have already made position, assuming that market is oversold. It's time to buy. It's going up. So market will trap all those buyers before moving back up. I'm not even sure it's going to move up today. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday. I feel it's going to stay, back and forth range for the rest of the year. And Jan 1st, it will start moving again, Jan 2nd. So moving back up. Otherwise, next few days, I expect the market to be in a range. I could be wrong, but that's my analysis at this moment. It could fall when I say range, it would be 300 points down, 300 points up. That kind of range it will be in. It will not go back to the level it fell from yesterday. This year, Santa Rally. I'm not sure. They say Santa Rally, but let's see if we get to Santa Rally. I don't think somehow. I could be wrong. But whatever money had to be made, that was made yesterday. The institutions, they made the money yesterday. So I think they will keep their profits logged and do anything big only next year. Okay, market is moving down. So contrarian strategy again. In fact, I have to use contrarian 2, and because there is for contrarian, I have to wait till the green line, but contrarian 2 will give me a trade around this blue line. And let's see where we are. So Bit of risky trade, guys. I've already made $1,000. Should I be greedy or should I?
Order filled.
So I've taken a trade here, and I'm going to just close it.
Target
I wanted to make $20 only. I wanted to get out at $50 or something. As I said, I already made $1,000. Should I be greedy? Um, Here, since this okay, contrarian short, I will take default trades, guys. This is the thing for contrarian is way up here. Here contrarian trades are good. Here, contrarian means you could get trapped in the upside moving market. So to avoid getting trapped, okay, now it's a churn trade situation. I'm getting churn trades. All right, let's take a churn trade here. So when I was hoping market will go down, but if it's not going back up, so it means it's going back into the range. I turn the churn trade on. So let's see. And see, in the right time, I made the right decision to close the trade early. I of course I wanted to close at the target of $50 instead of 100, but by the time I released my target, market was already gone up, and I got only $20. So market is pushing up now. This is a big green candle, which is not what I was looking for, but market gives you what it gives you. You have to handle it. Just teaching you guys, how to trade in these markets. This is I am taking risk because once I have made $1,000, I shouldn't be giving back much of it. If at all, I should be trading micros at this stage. That's a good risk management practice. But I'm showing all these trades to show you how to trade in different types of market. So I hope you learned something from it. So it's I have to salvage this trade now. Oops. So market is moving up quite strongly. Looking good to me. So this is what I was saying, how we already at the 2SD level, and market made one strong push. Here, I had to do something drastic to come out of this trade. Yeah, it's moving back up very violently. So if it comes down a bit, I'm going to take a loss. Waiting for some kind of exit. So it's likely to go up all the way to 560 level. Or let's see. So I may have to show you some drastic methods here. I'm going to just waiting for some.
Order filled.
All right. So 3 contracts.
Target filled. Target filled.
All right, here. So I traded with 3 contracts here. And then
Target filled. Target filled.
all right, guys. Now it was a really, really drastic measure. I needed to salvage my trade position. So I took the third and the last scaling trade with 3 contracts. And market just went down from there after that. So it was just, from experience, once I figured that market was having difficulty pushing up. So this is what the market is like today, since after the FOMC announcement yesterday. So it trapped everybody who thought market was going up, and I have reached the profit target, which I set at, I think, $1,500. And trade buttons are disabled. So see, trade button disabled, profit target reached. Of course, in the current price level, I closed all the positions, kept only one open, and I'm trailing it all the way down to this level. So guys, this is amazing. Is it not amazing? Please give me your feedback. Subscribe to the channel and give me your feedback. So I was looking at this chart as well, 2-minute chart, and I was trading on 15-second chart. These are very advanced stuff, guys. I'm glad I was able to show you. Depends on the market. Sometimes I can show, sometimes I cannot. It's just it's a reaction, how you react to the market. So now I'm trailing my stop all the way down. I'm trailing my stop. So as I was saying earlier, market is going to trap buyers again and again. Everybody will think, oh, market is going to go up, but it will not go up. It will trap all the buyers, take out their stop losses. Then it will move back up. And that I expect only next year. So rest of the year, market is going to go do back and forth dancing, trade in a range. So You are watching me live, guys. You know, this is the action, um, live action. We don't get to see this every day. This is, um, special condition. Market is like volatile, and if in 15-second chart ATR is 9, this is usually not the case. Usually you see this kind of ATR, 9 ATR at 30-second chart. Like on half the time frame, you are seeing this 9 ATR. It's a volatile market, and I am in 1300 profit, 1500. Excuse me. So if it was a Bullinox 50K account, I would have passed the evaluation in 1 day, or very, very close to being passed. So here you see 1500, and here, no, actually here I'm seeing a PNL of 565. This is the real PNL. So I think I'll end up with 2000 or close to 2000. So here churn trade did not go in my favor, and it trapped all the sellers like me. And fortunately, I was able to come out because of this advanced trade management techniques. This is advanced trade management technique, guys. You have to be present and really think on your feet. You should have practiced these things in playback mode, in sim mode, for many, many days before you get to this level of proficiency, which you can get. It's like put hours, thousands of hours of practice in doing all this last several years. And this, the Sliver Bullet Pro helps. It takes the trades at the most high probable areas, and then it tries to calculate the break-even point automatically. Many times it moves the targets also. Sometimes in high-speed market, it does not, but most of the time it moves. If not, you move the target to break-even level that it shows. So like here, BE, it was one of the break-even levels.
Stop bill.
So okay, I'm stopped out. So $420, 1916 overall, so close to 2000. And that's the kind of trading we do using Sliver Bullet Pro software. So hope you all learned, you gained something. To recap, I started to take short trades here using contrarian strategy. First trade was $840. Then scratched a couple of trades here. 2 churn trades worked fine. Here, one contrarian trade. I realized that these are not going to go in my favor. This is not going to go in my favor big time. I was in a hurry to lock my gain, or $50, $60 gain, but it gave me only $20 because of the slippage. And then here I thought it's going to be good, the churn trade, but I should have noticed it's a violence. There is a violence from here till here. So though churn trade could work, but maybe in this kind of violence, I should have waited for one more push. Maybe here I should have taken my first churn trade at this red line area, 23 SMA, 233 SMA area. And then I wouldn't have faced this much of heat. So here I took a trade and then scaled in automatically at this level with another position. So I had 2 contracts, and then here, this was the most drastic measure I had taken. I traded with ATM three contracts, and then got to my break even quickly. That this helped me. Second scale in helped me get to my break even quickly, and then I kept one position open, and trailed the stop all the way till here for $420. So net $1,960 in about how long? 11:16 I started. It's about 12:08. This trade was closed at 12:05. About in 50 minutes, it was $1,960. So let me write it down here. Excuse me. So this is my pen. So $1,960 in how many minutes? 50 minutes. This is how we trade with Sliver Bullet Pro software. So learn, excuse me, to learn more about Sliver Bullet Trading System, visit www.slivertrades.com or email us at info@slivertrades.com. Thank you for joining. Any feedback I would appreciate. Anything else you want to see, I would please leave it in the comment. And do check the description box later today. You'll have our Discord channel, a link to our Discord channel, and do join